Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back into another video. Today we're going to be looking at an OKX exchange tutorial. I'm going to show you how easy it is to sign up, and this video is predominantly for those who are involved with the TAMADOGE pre-sale. You're waiting to claim your tokens already, and then maybe you're thinking of, depositing your TAMA tokens into the OKX centralized exchange, or on the other hand, you're the person that missed the pre-sale and you want to get in to the OKX exchange so you can start trading it, buy or hold it, or whatever you choose to do. So really, it's a bit of tutorial, and maybe you're just sitting on the sidelines and you actually have no interest, but you want the chance to win $10,000, and it's the only way you can do it is by using my special little link that I've got down below. So first things first, whilst we're just scrolling through this website, make sure you click onto that link right now, and when you sign up, it will enter you to the chance to also win $10,000 from one of the mystery boxes. Now, it's really easy to do. It took me like 2 minutes to sign up. You can just sign up with your passport and ID as a validation, or to verify your ID. I didn't even need to take a picture of my ID. It was so quick, simple and easy to do. So making an account really just takes seconds. And that's even if you choose to create a verified account, right? So this is how the website looks, absolutely beautiful before you actually log in and sign up. When you click that sign up button, it's going to take you to this particular page here. I personally used an email address, then I used a recommended password, and there is that code, like I say. So if you use the link down below, it's the only way you'll get access to that chance to win the $10,000. So go and click on through to that when you're making an account on the OKX exchange. So this is really bullish news. As we know, TAMADOGE is listing tomorrow, 12 PM BST, so there's less than 24 hours now to go. So I just want to ensure that we all know what we're doing, so there's no real confusion around the launch, because the last thing you want to do is, oh no, it's launch and I'm now sort of scurrying around, I'm confused, I'm getting stressed out. Let's be prepared, let's take our time, let's not rush, because I think that's really the worst thing, is just rushing around. That's when you sort of make mistakes, right? So once you do make that account using the link only that I provided, it's going to say download OKX app to claim mystery boxes up to 10,000. I've already done this. It was super easy to do. I'm just going to quickly show you now, see if it will sign me in quickly. It's like the launch of it. So yeah, I'm already in. Really nice, and it's so simple. That's it. I don't know how you can see this right here, but it's really beautiful. It's easy to use, and I can't wait to deposit my TAMA into this particular exchange. So yeah, $10,000 is up for grabs just by using that link down below. Now, the first thing I wanted to show you, really, what's very important, in my honest opinion, is how do we actually go about depositing the TAMA tokens here. So the way you can do this is under the asset side of things, you've got a deposit button right here in the top right corner. So we're going to click that deposit button right there. Now, just like other centralized exchanges like Binance, Kraken, Huobi, Coinbase, what we're going to do is, just like if you're going to deposit Bitcoin, well, what I noticed actually is TAMA is already listed here. TAMADOGE is already here. And for those fudding saying that there's no way to deposit, well, once you claim them, and on 12 PM BST, 27th September, you're going to be able to do exactly that. So, of course, it's going to be on the ERC20 network. When you click continue, as you see here, this is for the TAMA address only. You're going to have two different accounts, the trading and funding account. It doesn't really matter which one you choose to do. I'm going to personally put it into my trading account. If you put it into your funding account, all you would need to do is just basically convert the funds, move your TAMA from the funding account into the trading account, which will be really simple to do. So the first thing we want to ensure we absolutely do is that we've got the correct contract address for TAMADOGE. So on this occasion, we're going to click onto the white papers of TAMADOGE, going to paste that into the MetaMask, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to get that listed there. So if we're on the BSC mainnet right now, we're going to need the Ethereum mainnet, because TAMADOGE is an ERC20 token. Now what you've got to do is import tokens, copy and paste that contract address in there, and what's going to come up is as TAMADOGE, right? So here we go. TAMA symbol 18 decimals, add custom token, import tokens. Go to your wallet and you see the 0 TAMA. Of course it's 0 for now until we can claim the tokens, which I cannot wait to do. So what you'd then do is click onto, for example, if you're on TAMA, you click send, and you'd go back into your funding account or whichever address you're looking to send it to. Let's go for the trading account on this occasion, and we can see they're different, right? So the addresses are different as per. If I go to the 80, it's going to be different. If I go here, it's going to be different. So make sure you've always got the trading account address there. So you're going to paste that in, go back to your wallet, and what you do realistically is send and you'd click right there and you'd send it to this particular wallet here. So I've got no balance to send. When you go through next, the gas fee will most likely or definitely be Ethereum. So make sure you have a little bit of Ethereum there also to actually act as some fuel for the transaction itself. So it's that simple to get your TAMADOGEs into the centralized exchange. What else was I looking at? I was looking under the Discover section, under the Markets window right here. I really quite like this too. It basically just like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. It just lists all of the cryptos. You can go straight to trading them or converting them. Very, very simple to do. And yeah, it gives you a list in ascending order by the market capital at current time. Another cool thing was the OKX rankings under the opportunities. Again, it looks a bit similar to CoinMarketCap, but it allows you to identify hot opportunities really, really quickly. Like you've got the surging coins here. We see Luna Classic going crazy today. We've got the new listings. We'll soon see TAMADOGE there tomorrow. We have market cap change up or down. We've got the turnover. We also have which coins are looking pretty hot at the moment. Crypto staking, I thought was really, really nice. You can find that under the growing section where you have staking and savings. We also have fixed income, stable coins, dual investment, flash deals, DeFi, and ETH 2.0. But for this video, I'm just going to show you the staking side as well as the savings side. So just to give you a little example, Shiba Inu, you've got 12% APY right there. Litecoin is generous, XRP is looking generous, and there are so many different coins here you can actually stake and make some easy APYs, right guys? So even Polygon, very generous at 25% APY. Avalanche, layer 1 infrastructure, Polkadot, some of the really big blue chip coins here are offering a very large sum of APY. So don't miss out. You might as well just sign up just to take advantage of these big APYs, right? Whilst they're still nice and high. On the savings side of things, I know a lot of Luna Classic people are watching my videos. 365% APY again, so another reason to get signed up there. So I think we've definitely got some lovely saving opportunities, and notice how they are all pretty much flexible. That's really important that we can see that they are flexible. Minimum APY. You know, I don't know if this will change. I don't actually have any USDT right in my wallet, but we can see there's going to be some big APYs for a lot of different coins here that are being listed. You have a crypto converter, which is quite interesting as well. I can't remember where I found this now. It was in convert section under trade actually. So for example, if you had Bitcoin listed here, if you had 1 Bitcoin, you'd be able to convert that into USDT or any other crypto of your choice. You could convert it into Ethereum or Solana or Litecoin or anything else. So it allows you to effectively convert cryptos into other cryptos, or even stablecoins into other stablecoins, or stablecoins into other cryptocurrencies. It just depends on the way you want to do it. What else do we have to explore? I want to show you the trading section. So if we go to the basic trading, it's going to take you to the trading dashboard, which I think looks really nice and simple. It's not too like squished together, really easy to read. And what I love about this, I mean, firstly, this is where we're going to see TAMADOGE listed. For example, if we type in Doge, we're going to see Doge USDT. So we're soon going to see TAMADOGE also listed here. But what I love about this particular exchange here is the fact that we can go into trading view. You can go into trading view, you can hit full screen, and from here, you know, we can change the time frame. Let's go to a nice daily time frame so we can look at more information and data. So we're looking at Bitcoin. I mean, how easy it is just to get started. Boom, I've put a support level in. I've put another support level in over here. Sorry, that was a resistance level. Maybe I want to change the color to a green to signify that it's a support level. Maybe I want to make this red to signify it's a, you know, it's a resistance level. Maybe I want to create a trend line. Maybe I want to join up the resistances, and maybe I want to make that yellow so I know exactly what that is. Maybe I want to change the price range. I want to see what the difference between this support and resistance is, 61%. Maybe I want to go to the 5-minute time frame because I want to scalp trade. And you know, straight away I've seen a formation of a potential double bottom pattern here, so I'm going to write the support in over here. I'm going to also go to the path section. I'm going to create my own little brush, and I'm going to draw in the potential trajectory. I think that maybe Bitcoin might come down to the support level. What happens if it did? Well, you can go for a short position. You know, you can manage absolutely everything, and that's what I love about this particular exchange. It's so user friendly, but it's also really perfect for someone with more experience with trading as well. So I really love the layout. You've got the depth view as well. I don't really look at depth, but the trading view, just being able to actually use this. I mean, look at the time frames; they're incredible. Having this particular trading view system here and timeframes that work on such a long scale is really quite a big selling point. So I do like that so far about the OKX exchange. Now what else can we look at? Let's go back into the main page. So I've claimed my reward already. It does prompt you to download the app before you do it. I got $5. Not the most amazing thing, but hey, one of these days you might really need $5. Who knows? $5 is useful. I mean, I can get some food of that, right? So yeah, I personally think this is a really nice platform, especially for launching TAMADOGE on, and the fact they're putting it on such a nice exchange like TAMADOGE, OKX, really makes me quite excited. If we click on the wallet side, this is where you get the decentralized exchange side of things. So yeah, I've hidden my assets, as you can see over here, but I am connected here. My wallet is connected. There's an NFT marketplace. They have a dashboard, which is this right here. Dashboard is pretty. That's basically what we were just looking at. And you just see a list of different DeFi coins that you can trade. You've got NFT coins here as well. We can explore the NFTs. Let's see what it takes us to. The marketplace. We can also launch and create your own NFTs. So here we have loads of different NFTs that are for sale. You know, Ethereum. We've got some here. Solana. Also Ethereum, sorry. So it looks pretty nice. I do like it. Lots of variation. They've got a launch pad too. Pretty nice to see this. Metamorphic 7 treasures pre-sale on OKX. So you're even getting the opportunity to find pre-sales just by like going through here. We've got the NFT marketplace. I think that is exactly what we're just looking at now. Maybe not. You can create your own NFTs. You can explore NFTs. Top collections. So this is like now similar to OpenSea, Magic Eden, those kind of things. Popular NFTs over the last 24 hours. So if you like NFTs as well as just normal crypto, this is really a hot exchange. As you see, you've got art, sports, music, domain names, much more to also consider. We've got the DEX right here, where you can swap currencies into other currencies, very similar to like Uniswap or PancakeSwap and other decentralized exchanges out there in the market. You just simply connect your crypto soft wallet like Trust Wallet or the MetaMask, and you can see exactly what funds you have and convert those cryptos accordingly. And it can be anything you want. It could be BSC, BNB. We could then convert that into, I don't know, 1-inch tokens. And you can do it vice versa. Maybe you want to swap 1-inch into BNB. You can do it vice versa. Really simple to do, and I think, to be honest, my overall review of this particular exchange is that it's really nice, user friendly, it's enticing, it keeps you engaged. There's some great staking opportunities. The trading dashboard itself is amazing, and yeah, I just think this is a really nice one, guys. If you have any questions regarding the OKX exchange, get into the Discord down below. Come and ask me questions or comment and I'll get back to you. Beware for scammers. There are some people impersonating me with like weird WhatsApp app numbers. I guarantee, guys, they are not me. They're just trying to scam you. I will never message you first or ask you to message me unless you can see it in like the video otherwise. But yeah, really good. Make sure you click on that link down below, ladies and gents. You might even win $10,000. And yeah, let's go from there, see what happens. Really easy to do, and let's go. TAMADOGE to the moon, boys. Let's see this. Subscribe, you lovely people, you. Like, comment, and bye for now.